Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
That boy Mike.
Order filled.
Auntie.
Order filled.
What's going on, y'all?
Morning, let's get it.
Order filled.
What's going on? What is this market trying to do, yo?
Looks like
Order
something
filled.
dropped, maybe. I'm in a short right now.
Yeah, I was in a short too. I just came out of it. I was like, you know what, let me take this little $60-something and then figure this out in a minute because I don't know what it's trying to do, actually. I was looking at the 50 solid dollar. I was like, well, maybe it's trying to go all the way down here. Like, what is it doing?
Order
See
submitted.
if you create a fair value gap over the 200. 5 minutes, right?
We got PMI in 7 minutes.
Oh, maybe that's why it's so slow. What I just looked at this thing.
Order submitted.
Oh, okay, I see it. Oh, Jerome Powell speaks at 12:35. That's why. Did you see that?
What's that now?
I said you see that Jerome Powell is speaking at 12:35.
Oh shit, yeah. Red folder.
It's a busy day today.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's lots of red folders.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Good morning, ladies. Oh yeah. I figured we'd pull back at open. Too much chop overnight. Let's see. We break this lows too much though. We might just start dumping.
Order submitted.
Yeah, we got a lot of clear range. A lot.
Yeah, we do, but we also have a lot of liquidity.
We got news in 4 minutes.
Oh man, I was just about to enter a short. We're about to eat up all this liquidity down here.
I'm in a short right now.
Damn, you're gonna take this all the way to 54 at least. 55, if not, take it to the fair value gap 51. Damn, I would have passed my evals today.
Order filled.
About to hit target.
Hey, you're gonna dump straight down all this liquidity. God damn it. All right, here's your first fair value gap at 50.
Oh shit. Let's go.
Son of a bitch.
Wow.
I don't take the trade, and Sergio's cha-ching just pisses me off even more. Bro, look how much bread you're making this fast.
Let's go.
It took you forever for that trade yesterday.
Yeah.
So special.
Yeah, I was sweating. I ain't gonna lie, bro.
It took yo, you see where it went, bro? 25.
Yeah, then they
Order
reversed that
filled.
point.
Nah, but if you would have held your entry, you were still good.
You see, I said it might go into that that 50s psychological number. Look what it did. Got to the 50s and bounced up.
We just tapped first 15 and 5-minute fair value gaps. Sergio.
That boy.
Yeah, that was such an easy trade.
Yeah,
Such an easy trade.
Yo,
yeah.
Luke, you hear us?
Yes, sir. Y'all can hear me?
Yeah. Okay,
Now
man.
we can.
Yes, sir. What's going on? Looking like a shorty day. I didn't think they would do this move this early because I know Powell was speaking at 12:35.
They gotta
Wait.
get some liquidity somewhere, bro. They got none.
Yeah, that's a fact. Wait. Oh no. Why did?
Oh,
Wait.
So
Oh, okay.
special.
No. My VPS is refreshed for a second.
1 minute, 15 seconds.
damn! I can't even take a trade. I need 170 to pass these evals. What's happening at 9:45?
Oh, PMI.
Okay.
Yeah.
PMI at 9:45.
No, don't take me out. No. God, no.
Damn.
No.
So
Yo, did you you had a larger position on before?
Yeah, I secured some.
Okay, word. Let's go.
Just got
Good
a
shit.
runner.
Good shit. Mhm.
No.
Let's go.
special.
New lows, come on, new lows.
Yeah, new lows for my guy. Don't go in his trail. Don't do it. Damn. Where do you think we're probably targeting previous day's high? Oh, minimum.
That'd be all-time high.
Previous day's high?
Yep. Previous day high.
My fault. The previous day's high. What's today? Tuesday? So Friday's high.
Fridays. Yep.
Ooh, that's a ooh.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
That would be crazy if they did that.
He on X Games mode.
No.
X Games mode. Oh damn. Yes,
Sergio's the only one who I know who be like, oh my god, ching-a-ling, ching-a-ling, ching-a-ling for 20 minutes. 20 minutes of ching-a-ling, ching-a-ling, and then as soon as it's like, no.
Right. Boy be up 3,000. Be like, man.
He's emotional. No,
Ricky.
Order field.
What's that? That's Trader Bay, right?
Yep. See if I can take this back up to Asian London low. Probably not, but you know, because it hates me. Does not want to see me pass today.
Yeah. Oh damn. Yeah, they. Ooh. I didn't even realize that one hit like that.
Let's
That's
go.
fire. Now I'll show y'all a couple of situations that happened once Sergio's out of his trade.
Bet. Let me consume my little computer right now.
Okay, where? Yeah. That boy Serge.
Stop filled.
Ricky!
Damn. That boy
Order
they came for that
submitted.
stop.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Oh, okay.
Yes, sir.
See what you talking about? Oh. Damn, they came and took your trail and then
And came back down. It's holding that little spot though, that where we're at.
Yep. That's a fact. Okay. That was clean. Clean as hell.
Order submitted.
Looks like that morning star pattern, whatever.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Yeah, and let's see, we moved 83 points on the day as well. So we're looking good. We're looking good.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Oh, this is gonna get annoying.
Why?
Look at his charts. Doji, Doji. Big drop. Doji, 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 Doji.
They call that Powell-esque.
Damn, flipping to a red candle.
Mm-hmm.
It'll pop back up. Don't worry.
Yo, click that F real quick, Serge. Yeah, squeeze the timer real quick, and then mark off. Put a shaded region. Go to the left. The fourth one on the bottom, the top. Yep, that one. Put it over put it over Friday's high. Right there. Yep. Right. Nope. Yep. That purple, that magenta, right there.
Oh, excuse me.
Bang. That's where we go. I think.
Word.
I think.
Word.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order.
Oh no, Ricky.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Oh, I gotta do my consistency doc. See how much more I need. Okay. What's this? Yeah. Oh, these have full drawdown again. All right, here we go. Let's go. This one. Yeah. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah, what happened here?
Ooh,
Bro.
dang.
I got filled at this 5-minute fair value gap, and I need. I was up. It said 53,009. Bro, that shit closed me out at 52,989.
Damn.
Your mama.
Damn.
Your mama. Now I gotta wait for a freaking long entry.
Project split.
Nah,
The
just go
worst
short
fill
at the
I've
bottom.
ever seen
Just-
in my life.
Go heavy short at the low.
Nah. I'd rather go long till the shit bounces $11.
Oh shit.
Let's go.
Project split.
No, that was Chernobyl.
Oh,
Stop fill.
I just got flat. Fuck.
Damn.
damn.
I took a long at this.
Long.
Yeah, I took a long because I thought it was gonna reverse at this at the 50.
Did you take the stop?
What you mean? Y'all take the stop?
Like you said you wanted to go long and then you put your stop somewhere. Did
Oh,
you
she
just
said,
take the
what's a
stop?
stop?
Right. She said what? Stop loss.
What you mean?
The fuck you talking about stop loss?
Stop me out. It stopped me out.
Yeah, she said stop loss.
It stopped me out. Damn.
She said, "Oh my shit. Risk management." What?
What does that? Damn.
Oh.
YouTube said if I ain't got no stop loss, I can't take a loss.
Right.
Oh,
Order
Ricky.
submitted.
Oh my god.
Well, I guess this shit going to 900 then, huh? Oh.
Man, that's so tempting. I don't need it.
Don't do it.
Though.
I said don't do it, but it is about to go to 900. I see that's where it's going. I'm not going to even. You know what? I'm about to be on tilt. Let me just get the fuck up out of
Yeah, shut that shit down.
here. Yeah, I'm about to.
Hey, nah. We don't use those words around here.
Yeah, auntie, you got mad PAs, so let's chill out.
Yo, sit it down.
Let's chill out.
I already got clapped.
Chill, my boy. Chill.
Let's get them accounts to pay out. Fuck that.
I see big Willie niggas trading, taking 17.
Don't even worry about that. I'm not even gonna let you finish that statement. Don't even.
$17, taking $20, taking $50. Ain't nobody leaving nothing on the table now.
Yeah, nah, I ain't even gonna let you finish that because, man, shit got me kind of feeling a certain type of way. So I'm gonna let them folk be. Yeah, man. Today was a good day. For the most part, I think I got my lag figured out. But it's cool. I will take the results today.
I got my other screen pulled up if you want to show us, fam.
Oh, yeah, I got you. Let me see. Yes, sir. Let's see. I'm going to show y'all the...
And we are past. Boy!
Oh, you passed?
Let's go. Congrats.
Let's go, man.
Two more. Add those to the list. Now I got blue sky, these mother flowers. Going short.
I just I just activated a Elite Trader funding PA literally this morning.
The instance?
Nah, it was the it's a fast track account.
Okay. The end of day drawdown?
Yeah. No, I think it's I don't even I don't even know. I just know the like for me I don't really care about the drawdown because I'm not drawing down that much anyway.
Yeah.
But I just know about the profit targets. I gotta make minimum 200 a day, and then I think there's like a 23% rule. And I'm not going for big days anyway. So like you know how some prop firms they be having certain rules and whatnot. It's like, but some rules they don't really apply because I'm not gonna force it. Like them consistency rules.
Yeah.
They'd be like, oh, 30, 20%, 30%, 40% consistency rule. Well, if I'm only going for a couple hundred a day anyway, the consistency rule,
it doesn't matter.
You know what I'm saying? It doesn't matter. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So yeah, the consistency rule I don't really care about. They just say you need to make a minimum of 200 or 250. That's easy, done. But let me I'm about to share my screen so y'all can see a couple of situations that we got going on.
Situation.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Damn, we about to reverse here? That'd be crazy.
Yeah, that would be.
Man, I mean, this is where we're gonna F around now. We didn't feel oh man, this is a horrible area to be. We didn't even we filled the 1 hour fair value gap. Yeah, I guess.
Where is the yeah. That sounds like auntie screen. Oh, God. I just, her order fill just sounds different. You know what I'm saying? What is it? Screen one? Hold on. Let me see. Screen one. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's go with, we will go with this screen first. No. My shit froze? Nah, don't say that. Hold on. Oh. Wait. Okay, we good now. Did y'all see that?
Yeah.
It was like red. It was red for a little bit. So we're gonna go this one first. Okay. So as y'all know, I'm just trying to test out I have a couple things I'm testing out. I have one where I'm testing out this opening range break situation. So market opens 9:30. We're wicking through the low. We wick through the high, but we don't close above or below. We wick again. We don't close above or below. Okay. We close below.
Yeah, today we had some crazy range at that.
Yeah, and this is why I like this, because it sets a specific spot for me to take a trade. And I'm also, this is on my live account as well, so I didn't go too crazy today. We got, if we close above, I'm long. If we close below, I'm short. We close below, we enter the short. We entered, I believe, I think we were only in like 6 micros. Yeah, went 6 micros, went from 982s down to the low at this time, which is 72. So literally just 10 points. Just grabbed 10 points. Did that on a couple situations. I copied this live account to a couple other things, and then obviously we see what happens. From here, we bounced up, but that's fine. And then we just continue to dump. Crying on the recap, as folks say. All right. So that's one situation. $100. I only trade this one from 9:30 to 12. That's it. And then we got another situation in the background running. This is another one. We call this the profit wave scalp. It enters 4 minis, but it puts the stop very tight. The stop is literally right above the candle. So on this move, we get an indication that we're going to be short. So what we do, we enter at the next candle. So it's enter at the next candle, and we have a 10 tick offset off the wick. So, or I apologize. We have a 10 tick. No, is it 10 ticks or is it 20 ticks? I believe it's a 20 tick offset off the prior wick. So we entered this trade short, and we put the stop was like right here. We actually almost got stopped out on this trade. So it was right there. That's the stop loss is right here. Market came up, almost hit it, came down, took target on 3 of them, and then there was a runner. Target filled on the last one. So that's the trade right there. Entry. You can see this one. There was target was hit on. You can see we hit target at 83, 83, and 83. Entry was 87. So from 87 to 83, we took 3 of them, and then from 87 down to 61 was the last target. So that was a total of 754. So that was that trade, and here we are. So yeah, that was just today. I'm trying to clean up. I'm just trying to.
Predator?
Huh?
That's Predator?
Yeah, that's Predator. Yep. Yep, that's Predator. And yeah, Auntie, as you know, with Predator, it's like the way Predator is. It's a.
I don't know.
No, I'm gonna tell you. So, no, actually, what I'm about to say you do know, but I'm about to add on to it. Predator is just an order entry tool, right? So, the Predator itself is not gonna make you successful. What you put into the Predator is what is gonna make you successful. If you have a specific style of way you trade,
so
you can put the inputs in there, and then it'll take the trades for you. Say it again.
So you figure out an input. You figure out the good input to put in there.
Yeah, like your trading style. Like if you have whatever trading style you have, like if you're like, hey, I want to trade with, fair value gaps or whatever. If there's a way to plot the fair value gaps on a chart, which there is, then you can set it up so that it can take the trades for you, or you can use the Predator as just a risk management tool where you tell it, hey, you put the inputs and you say, hey, every time I enter a trade, no matter what it is, even though you haven't even said the trade yet, whenever I enter a trade, I want the trade to only do $400 of risk. So then you can set up limit orders on the screen, right, through the Predator, and then you can also set where you want the stop to be once that limit order is filled. And what it does is it'll adjust the quantity of your contracts based on the risk parameters you put forth into the tool. And that's the thing I like about Predator. So you can be like, hey, I only want to risk 300. So then say the market is say you were like, hey, the market's going to come down here and you want to put a limit order here, then it'll put a ghost order as your stop. You would then move your stop order where you want it to be, and then you'll see there's like a little screen that'll pop up and it'll show like, okay, your dollar risk is going to be 300, and then you put like how many micros, it'll say how many micros it'll be. So as you move your stop further away from where the potential stop is going to be, then you'll see on another screen, you'll see it adjust. It'll say risk is still 300, but now as you move the stop further down away, if you're going to potentially be in a long position, it'll decrease the number of contracts to keep your risk in check. If you make the stop loss very tight, it'll increase the amount of contracts that it'll take upon that filling of the limit order. So that's why I like the tool. So, you know what I'm saying? That's why it doesn't have to be like, you can use the Predator in a fully auto, semi-auto, or manual way. You see what I'm saying? So like, say someone's like, nah, I can't even automate my strategy. Okay, that's fine. You don't have to automate your strategy. You can just use the Predator as a risk tool. That way, you don't have to always be thinking about what your, how many contracts. Nope, it'll do it for you. If you're a limit order person, okay, boom. You'll say, all right, put the limit order here, adjust the stop loss, and it'll reduce or it'll either reduce or increase the number of contracts you're gonna take. And that's why I rock with the Predator. You know, so for a while I wasn't really like, you know what I'm saying, I wasn't really put on game like that, but it just kept improving and improving and improving and improving to a point where I'm like, yeah, I gotta use this shit. This is game changer. This is like, you know what I'm saying? Because a lot of people, the way we trade, like, obviously we know the market conditions change, so everything is not always going to be static, right? I'm not always going to have a 20 tick stop loss. If the stop loss gotta be where the stop loss gotta be, then that's where it is. And this tool will help me determine the risk on that, the amount of contracts, that type of thing, et cetera, et cetera. So that's why I use it. Again, I wasn't using it at first crazy like that, but because I'm, I'm really coming into the fact that risk management is really what sets. Risk management is what is gonna set us free. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
So, and I think I made a little post.
I watched. I said I watched a couple of the videos yesterday. I fell asleep on one of them, so I gotta rewatch it.
Yeah.
Just trying to figure out how it works.
Yep. And once you and for me, it took me a very like the learning curve on it. The learning curve on it is I mean it's a learning curve. You at first.
I said it wasn't that bad. Maybe it just wasn't bad for him.
No. Wait, you said who was not bad for?
Malik.
No, that's what, exactly. So there's a learning curve at first, but once you get past that little learning curve, everything is simple, and then the updates just make sense because he like the way the updates are, it's just the evolution. It just makes sense of everything that's being added, everything being added. You know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. And so, and again, and I think I told you this too. If the new changes and the evolutions, if they don't pertain to you, you don't even, it don't have to affect you.
Right. Yeah.
You can just uncheck those buttons and then those options won't even be there.
I'm not really the person that be trying to, I'm not the person that be trying to be changing up every minute. I don't like that.
Yeah, exactly. I feel you. I agree with you on that. But what I'll say with this is a lot of the changes that happened, they were changes that I was like, damn, like before the change was even mentioned or suggested, there were a couple times where I was like, damn, I wish we had this thing so I can do this, and then the next update, here comes Dre with the new update, and he's everything that I was talking about, everything that I had in my head mentally about the changes I would have wanted to see, boom, they're now available. And I'm like, wow, that's crazy.
Once I get really acclimated to it, then we can go over the whatever you said you wanted to show me.
Yeah, for sure. I got you. I was just telling everyone I just activated Elite Trader Funding PA today. And I'll keep y'all updated with the progress on it too. Okay. It's only up $100 right now. But I have some other accounts that I'm working on as well. And keep in mind, y'all, like there are some times where because of the technology we have, like this 754. I didn't make 754 across mad accounts. What I did, some accounts I'm trading only 5 micros. So if this thing took 4 minis, then I was in 4 times 5 micros. I was only in 20 micros. Call it 2 minis. Or some accounts I'm doing like 3 micros per entry, or 3 micro. Like you know what I'm saying? Like this, like I'm ratioing with the Replicanto.
Right.
Which helps because. What I've seen too, Auntie and Serge and Mike, that sometimes when you have a strategy that works for the minis, when you try to like do it in the micros, when you try to have the lead be the micros, then it kind of fucks it up. So for me, I'm like, hey, if too much risk is in the minis, well, I'm gonna run the template still through the minis, but I'm just gonna replicate to the micros. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Just so that because NQ and MNQ is 2 different markets, you know, but yeah, that's what I got. So
definitely 2 different markets.
Hey, that's cold.
Yes, sir. But yeah, man, I'm just trying to just stay super disciplined, man, and just if I see something's working, just do that. And then call it a day. Don't change. Don't do nothing. Don't try to add extra. Don't. If anything, remove things. Remove things that are unnecessary. Clean up shit. So that's really what I'm on this little journey of profitability / continued profitability / trying to continue to stay that way, trying to continue to get payouts, you know.
Yeah, aren't we all?
Yeah, man, for sure.
All right, well, look, I got a meeting at 10:30.
Yep.
Get myself ready for it.
I'm out too. I ain't got
Yeah.
no trade.
Later.
All right, Auntie.
Auntie and Mike, see y'all in a little bit.
We're eventually gonna push. We're gonna create a bunch of wicks here on this downside, these previous few candles, and then eventually we're gonna push back up to at least 970 to 982, somewhere in that area. We got a big gap in volume from 959 till 978. We have like a big low volume node. Right now, this 958 keeping us down.
You talking about the drop?
Yeah, I'll share it real quick. Here we go. See it? Little volume. See how we have like low volume right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, this shelf is just right here. Little shelf right here is what's keeping us down. Every time we tap it, we come back down. This little volume area right here. And you see how we have nothing right here? Once we break through this, we're gonna rip through this. And we'll kind of hesitate here. We'll hesitate. You know, these little nodes right here will hesitate, but
Yo, Mike.
Come back down. We're either gonna bounce on this shelf. We're gonna bounce on this shelf.
Mike, you ever heard of Fabio Valentini?
Who?
Fabio Valentini.
Fabio Valentini. Let's see.
No, if you haven't, I was just wondering.
Valentini trader. Nah.
Okay, that's all good.
He's the world's best super scalper?
Yeah. He's a scalper. He's a scout beast.
Yeah, he won one of the competitions, right?
Yeah. Robin's Cup. The world's trading, Robin's Cup. He's a beast.
Yeah, held that little volume node right down there. To the freaking point, Jesus. God
damn.
Look at that shit. That little volume node right there kept us up.
What's that little volume profile?
Yeah, but I think it just comes with a setup like that. Like I didn't add that. Yeah, see, like it's just on there. It's part of the chart. Yeah, daily volume profile.
Daily volume profile. Yeah.
Where's the market depth? Market depth. Maybe. And then it marks out like surges of high and low. Low key, I want to see it down. Sweep this low again, because we're so close to this imbalance field right here, and then we got a little volume imbalance here. I wouldn't mind seeing it down here at 921. I do not want it down here is where I don't want it. But you got a nice little order block right here at 900, like Auntie said. Oh, look at that candle, Ricky.
It ain't dumping.
Look, we did it again. Look, we came back up. We tapped the same area. And we dumped. Yeah. We can't get through it.
No, attempting to make a new low.
Yeah, I told him, look, we want. I wouldn't be surprised because we want to fill all this up right here. Like we're gonna come down somewhere here. We're gonna come down somewhere this area at least. had, let's see, sweep, down, sweep, up, boom, up. You got an order block here, you got a breaker block here. I'll turn into this one. This is the breaker block that swept, so. We want all this right here, which is not good. It's not bad, but it ain't good. All right, Joe.
All right,
You
fam.
out of here?
Yeah, I ain't got nowhere accounts to trade.
Yeah, that's me too. I don't. Everything is. I'm up plus 200 and 250 plus on everything.
Yeah, I hit my daily loss on Blue Skies trying to chase these longs, and it just kept pulling back on me.
Yeah.
And I can only take 1,000 loss on it. So.
Yeah.
Well, it's
Keep
nice
the
these
loss.
Blue Skies.
Get up out of there.
Your max loss line is static. It never goes past. It stays at 48,000.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah. So even if you have you get back up to 52,000, you have a bad $2,000 day or whatever, you tilt. You're still at 48,000. You still got $2,000 more drawdown. Yeah, that's why I like those. That's why I bought them like that. I bought those because I like that static drawdown. It shouldn't follow me. You know what I'm saying? It gives you.
Yeah.
And that's just another reason to blow your account. That's how they get you.
Yeah.
There's no reason why it should follow me.
Yeah.
Because then you're telling me if I have a red day, it's gonna go against me worse than a regular red day.
Yeah. So that what I would say is this. I guess it all depends on the size you trade. You know what I'm saying? And then I mean okay, how many accounts can you have with Blue Sky? 3?
Just 2.
2, right?
Yeah.
So I mean, for me, I think we've all had this conversation and we already know this anyway, what I'm about to say. But there's always a trade-off, right? Like you want to have 20 accounts?
Trailing drawdown. Interesting.
Trailing drawdown,
craziest rule.
30% rule, blah 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 blah. Buffer above. Okay, cool, fine. You wanna go? You want daily payouts and you want daily payouts in 5 accounts? Okay. Eval 50%. End of day drawdown, but funded intraday. Blah blah blah. You know, so we know it. We know it.
Yeah, it's all give and take.
So all give and take. So
I should have just went. The problem is they let you lose, so there's no end of day drawdown. There's no daily drawdown on these anymore.
It's just daily loss limit.
No, it's just max loss. But I have the limit in there anyway.
You mean you set one for yourself?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Okay.
But they let you, so you can lose the whole 2,000, right?
Right.
Or 4,000, or whatever. Say you're at 53,000 or 52,000, right? And you went at 53. They'll let you lose that whole 4K, right? But your daily consistency is 30%, so I can't make more than $900 a day.
So you can't go get it all back in one day.
No.
Yeah.
If you take your max loss, like if you take a $2,000 loss in a day, it's gonna take you 3 days to get that back at
minimum. Yeah, that's the trade-off. Yep. There you go. No trailing drawdown.
Yeah.
But yeah. I mean,
right,
it makes sense. But yeah, bro, take it easy, man.
Alrighty.
Enjoy your day.
See you later.
Enjoy your day. Peace.
I gotta go to work.
Oh, damn. All right, bro.
All right, later.
All right, bro.
Yeah, man. Surge, man. What a day. You did what ended up happening? So I saw, I came on and you were trailing.
Yeah.
You were trailing the hell.
Yeah, that was the only trade I took, and it played nice.
Yeah, bro. That's fire.
See, I marked the range of the first 5 minute, and then just waited for a breakout from that zone.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's fire.
I seen that we had a little fake out within that. See, right there came down at
Mm-hmm.
the breakout site came
Psych.
down.
Oh yeah, that was the wick. It never closed the but. That was the wicks on my ORB.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, bro. I definitely I'm liking the way things are moving right now. I mean, I think it's us. Me, you. I hope Martin's cool. But me, you, Mike, Auntie. You know, I'm really thinking like. I'm thinking like we just want to let's keep this shit going, man.
Yeah, I agree. I think that they're rolling the way they should.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's a fact. Progress.
Exactly right. So yeah, man, it's I'm feeling good about where we are. I'm working on. I got a free eval. I got a free eval the other day from Funded Next. Well, not Funded Next. Funded Family, Futures Funded Family, FFN. I'm gonna say that. Funded Futures Family or Funded Futures Network.
Okay.
It's a 50K account, and my dumbass thought I was in. I thought I was in a trade with 2 micros. Bro, I was in 2 minis.
Oh,
so I'm trading. I took a $1,000 loss in the account yesterday.
Oh shit.
So I'm like, damn. So, and it was a free eval, so I want to get it to PA status. But yeah, out of transparency, I took that clap. I'm like, what the fuck?
Well, that's happened to me a few times. Now I'm scared to even have an NQ.
Yeah.
NQ target.
Yeah. And it's because I duplicated a Replicanto tab, and then it was set to do the cross copy, but it cross copied the other way.
Yeah, MNQ to NQ.
Yeah, it went exactly. So, and I forgot to change that part, but it's all gravy. I'm not tripping. We good to go. We here, and we're gonna be doing some good things. So I'm chilling. So I'm good. But, yeah, man. What you got going on the rest of the day?
I'm fixing to drink this protein. Then I'm gonna head out to work, and I should be back at 4 p.m.
Hey, okay. Yeah, I'll be tonight. I got yeah. I'm about to leave the house myself. I'm about to take my dog out, leave the crib, just because. For me right now, it doesn't make sense to like. I feel like beginning of the year, I was like, hey, trade, do what I need to do, and get up out of there. But then ever since I got the dog, now I kind of been home a little bit more. But what I need to do is get out. Like, I'm done trading. Leave now. Like, what we doing?
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah, I think that's the plan. That is the plan. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm out of here.
Yeah, it was a good day for sure.
Definitely a good day. Definitely a good day, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. Well, all right, man. I'll let you do your thing, man. I'm about to probably just go get some breakfast or something. And then,
all right, bro.
Yeah.
Okay, for a while. I'll do a wellness check to see